Do you wish to be a millionaire? If yes, go through this video to know how to be a millionaire in a short period through 6 incredibly easy steps. It is normal to have the ambition of becoming a millionaire. Most people always aspire to have millions in their bank accounts. However, only a few of them can reach such a milestone. Let's focus on how to become like them and how to take the next step towards becoming a millionaire. The 6 incredible ways to become a millionaire quickly are as follows. Understand and follow them carefully if you wish to be counted as a millionaire quickly and easily. Formulate a financial plan. Every smart individual should make a plan about financial or cash spending, as it provides a clear view of how you spend your wealth on various aspects of your life. For this, you have to modify your financial strategy. You should research more about people who are already making a considerable amount of money for years. You can check their ways of saving income, which will assist you in working like them. When you have a good sense and visualization of your investments, expenses, and savings, you will surely be a millionaire in a short period. Be strong enough to take risks. Maximum individuals who are now known to be millionaires were initially entrepreneurs. They are not shy to start their career as entrepreneurs and never stammered to take any risks in their life and business. To be a millionaire, you first have to start your own business. The starting of business will be your base towards that path, which will lead you towards the journey of becoming a millionaire. However, just starting your own business and making some decisions cannot prove successful in becoming a millionaire. The most critical point is to understand how you will operate your business. You can achieve this by spending various hours to understand your business goals entirely and need to do great hard work towards achieving the same. So, it is essential at the time of choosing a field of business which you have an idea about and are confident about. This way, you can operate your business without any issues in the future. Taking risks can prove worthwhile if you are passionate about the company name search that you start. Keep off excuses and enhance your confidence. There should be no place for excuses that can become a barrier between you and your dream of becoming a millionaire. Instead, getting indulged in these excuses, a wise person is the one who looks to solve such reasons with ease. Be straightforward with your goal, understand where you are currently on your path to success, and form a strategy that works for your next step. For such purposes, you have to look for a way where you can provide an excellent solution to put these excuses and diversions off the road. If you stick to your goal and are confident, you can achieve it quickly. A strict work schedule will prove in favor of you. All you need is confidence in yourself and your work. Keep some capital in hand. Attaining more money quickly is not an easy job. Still, if you stick to your goal, you can do it. Utmost dedication, gaining new ideas, opting for better marketing skills, and timely sacrifices will enhance your capital, and that too in a short period. But what about the fact that you are earning more income, but there is no saving? Along with earning, it is equally important to save. Having a good flow of cash in hand is necessary, as it will assist you in focusing on making more money by enhancing your business ideas. Also, it's better if you start a business related to your primary business domain to make more income, since you will have good knowledge of it. It will consume time to build such a foundation, but developing and improving gradually will give rise to a strong foundation. Save cash from your earnings. Your primary responsibility is to improve your financial strategies, lifestyle, and business requirements to save some cash from your revenue. Do not spend your income on luxurious things from the very beginning. Always remember, wasting money on materialistic things from the very beginning could be perilous for your career as an entrepreneur. By adopting saving strategies, you can save up to 30 to 40% of revenue at the end of the year. Remember that you have a big dream, and hence, keep yourself motivated. Do not get distracted by spending on petty things. When you continuously save 10% of your revenue, you will get used to living on the other 90%. Various individuals do so regularly, and with time, they also increase their savings by increasing from 10% to 15%, 20%, and so on. As a result, the financial strategies change dramatically. Try to understand how much you should spend and how much you should save for your future. Invest your money wisely. Investing in the best way is a crucial factor for saving your earnings. Here again, you should be ready to take risks. However, this time you should have a clear view and understanding of the investment that will improve your business and take it towards growth. You can invest your profits or save in several business areas associated with or related to your primary business. For instance, if you have an oil business, you can spend your profits and savings on the raw material borrowed for oil refining. Or you can invest in other mediums. But before spending your investments, go through the stock market to know if there may be anyone who will contribute a compound interest to your enterprises. This kind of investment will provide you with a high amount of earnings. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. Best of luck. Thanks for watching and do subscribe the channel for more informative videos.